Hello! In this video, we're going to learn how to share content through Trupeer. To get started, simply select the video you wish to share on other platforms. Once you have your video selected, click on the Share option. A pop-up will appear, and within it, you'll notice the Create Page option. Go ahead and click on that. You will be redirected to the Share Page option. Here you have the option to copy the link directly. Alternatively, in the pop-up that appears, you'll notice several options. One of those options is Share as a Page. This is where you can customize the title to suit your needs. You can also add an author name if required. Plus, you can decide which content is necessary to include or exclude. If you're looking to share via social media, simply click on the Social option, where you'll find multiple sharing choices. To embed the link on a different platform, just click on the embed link and copy the link. That's how you can share the content effortlessly. Thank you.